And the race on Shadows Rush pass to begin rushing up livelihood. And under further outside is Owaki in the middle, True Value. Down on the inside, Creation. On the further outside, Lakay. Bonus Gem, Dream Supreme is the early trailer. Two runners fighting it out for the lead. True Value, Lively Dude from the outside. Owaki is racing in third as they round the 3/4 mile lead stands. True, rather lively dude from the outside, and True Value down on the inside. Owaki, Shadows Rub down in fourth from the outside is Creation. Lakay, third last, Bonus Gem, second last, Dream Supreme is still running at the tail of the field. Lively Dude by some 2 lengths, followed by True Value. Owaki is racing in third, taking the second spot. Creation is racing in fourth by some 2 lengths. Lakay from the outside together with Bonus Jam, Dream Supreme. And rounding the far turn, Lively Dude by 3/4 of a length. Owaki from the outside. Bonnie's Jam also rushing up his Dream Supreme. Lakay in the middle as they race the final corner. Owaki, Bonnie's Jam, Dream Supreme, Lakay, Lively to Dawn on Insect Creation, Shadow Strap, and True Value. And nearing the last 200, Dream Supreme from the outside, Owaki, Bonnie's Jam, Lakay, Lively to Creation. And nearing the finish line, Dream Supreme by some 2 lengths now. And finally, Dream Supreme, Owaki, Bonus Gem, Lakay, Creation, Livelihood, Shadow Scrub, and True Value.